Hey guys, it's Keandra and I am back with another video, and I am here to give you a hair wand tutorial. So I was sent this hair wand by Duvolle, and make sure you guys stay tuned to watch the tutorial. And also I have a really big discount code for you guys to use so that you can order this same wand for the holidays for yourself or a loved one. So stay tuned to see how I curl this hair with this wand. Okay guys, so this is the Duvolle Desire Series 25mm curling wand, and this curling wand has a professional tourmaline barrel that eliminates static, reduces frizz, and protects hair from heat damage. In its infrared heat technology, it evenly distributes heat and deeply penetrates the hair, resulting in a gentler styling and less damaged frizzy hair, and it ensures precise, fast, uniform heat and maintains optimum heat levels while styling. The instant fast heating maintains a consistent temperature for even styling, and it has a comfort grip glove that it provides, which helps you with control and styling so that you don't get burnt. And it has a clamp-free curling, which puts less stress on the hair. It reduces damage. As you guys saw, it had a 360 swivel cord. It's long, tangle-free, and it wraps. The cord wraps offers ease to use and organization. As you guys can see, this wand is very easy to use. Yes, I have the glove on the wrong hand, so don't even worry about it. I ended up changing it and taking it off because at this point I am a pro. But I did these curls. This is in real time. It literally took me 5 minutes to do this style. When I tell you this wand heats up fast, it heats up really fast, and it's really good. I got compliments on my hair tonight. As you guys can see, I'm kind of getting ready to go to a Christmas party, and literally people are complimenting me on my hair. And yeah, the curls lasted because this is actually a straight hair unit. So I was really surprised once I saw that my curls were still in like after the night. So I love that as well. And yeah, I really have no complaints. I did this hairstyle in less than 5 minutes. So yeah, just continue watching and listening to the music, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
See us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, wanna make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living
All right guys, so this is the final look. Hopefully you guys can see this hair is really long. This hair is like 26 inches, but I wanted this soft, effortless look, and I'm about to actually go to a Christmas party, so it took me no time. As you guys can see, I didn't want super tight curls. This hair is straight hair, so honestly it wasn't gonna last anyway, but I wanted just enough to give a little razzle dazzle, and I definitely got it with this wand. Make sure you guys use my code Keandra to get money off, so you can order this. It comes very quickly, and this will be a great gift to someone for the holidays. I want to thank Duvolle for sending me this wand to review. And yeah, until next time, bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.